Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video we will be talking about the trades that we took this morning from the uGenesys trend indicator. Now this morning we traded GBP CAD. Alright, so the first thing that we did was we identified the currency strength. So this morning during the London session we had GBP up here. So this was a stronger currency pair, and we had the Canadian below it. All right, so that shows me that GBP is stronger than the Canadian. So that's the first thing. The next thing we looked at was our master trend. Now, most time frames are trending up. Okay, so we know that the market is bullish. So we know that we will only be looking for buys. So therefore, when we got the alert right here, we started to buy the market. So we started to only take buys this morning. Okay. And I think we also got GBP USD. Yes, we did. We entered a few buys. We had a buy right here, and we took our profit of 15 pips. And as you can see, GBP was strong and USD was weak. All right, so guys, let me also show you our MT5 terminal. Hold on. Yeah, this is our MT5 terminal. You can see. I'm trying to show this from my phone, but it's not. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not working. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but you guys can see that this morning's profits was about $10,924. Now, let me also show you that we sent the signals in our Telegram group as well. So you guys can see this is our Telegram group. You can see that this morning we were buying GBP Swiss, we bought GBP CAD, and yeah, I'm not sure why my phone is taking so long to show you guys, but yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, so every day we take our trades, we put them in our Telegram group as well. You can see that we were buying GBP CAD and GBP USD. Alright guys, so maybe I'll give you guys an update tomorrow so that you can see what exactly we're doing. But if you want this indicator, I will put the link to it in the description, and I will also put the link to our Telegram channel in the description. It's free to join. I don't charge you guys to receive my signals. Alright, so take care guys. I'll see you next time.